right there. So welcome to the class, Isa. It's great to have you here as always. And today we're going to take a look at something that I call exploring your speaking abilities. You know, a lot of times people want to travel. You want to travel, so this presentation today is a little bit about traveling. Tell me, Isa, what are your plans for your next vacation? Do you have any plans for your next vacation?
No, for the moment, only working.
Only working.
Yes,
Tell me,
yes.
what do you do in your job? What do you do?
I working in a ballet parking.
Oh, that's right. You
Um,
told me, yeah.
yes, and the worries all the time. And in the moment, I need a lot of money. I
Yeah,
don't have vacations.
I see, I see. But Isa, you're very young, right? You still have time. You're very young. You have to take advantage of your youth. How old are you, Isa?
Yeah. How what?
How old are you?
29. Yes, 29
You're
years
very
old.
young. You have to, maybe just maybe a short vacation, maybe a weekend, a Saturday and a Sunday. You go somewhere different. I know you live in Texas,
Yes.
right? Are you
Yes.
close? Are you close to a beach? Are you close to the coast?
Mm, yes, more or less.
More
More
like
or
how
less
many hours?
1 hour and a half.
1 hour and a half.
Yes,
Okay.
Corpus Christi
Corpus Christi.
is
Okay.
a
Well,
beach.
maybe for your next
Yes.
vacation, you can, maybe plan a little something, go near Corpus Christi, maybe an inexpensive, para no decir cheap, inexpensive hotel,
Yes.
and you stay for the weekend, go with a friend,
Yes,
go with
it's
a friend, and,
possible.
yeah, have a nice time. All right.
Yes.
So tell me, Isa, if you could travel to any other country in the world, where would you travel? What country would you visit?
Um, I would like to visit Dubai. It's my dream.
Dubai. Dubai. Why Dubai?
Mm, because it is my dream, and I see on internet a lot of
It's very
interesting
beautiful.
things to do. Yes,
Very
a
beautiful.
lot.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
That's true. All right. So we're gonna focus today on how to use will and going to. I think you're very familiar with this. For example, me, my dream country, if I could visit any country in the world, I would definitely visit Italy. So I say to myself, when I think and I imagine, I say I'm going to visit Italy. I will eat some delicious and authentic pasta. I will visit the Roman Colosseum. I'm going to drink a nice Italian wine. I just imagine myself maybe in Italy in a cafe having a nice Italian coffee and just everything. But that's me. You like Dubai? Dubai has some beautiful architecture. Beautiful
Yeah.
architecture, really. All right, Isa, let's do these exercises together. This is with will and going to. So, for example, here we're going to talk about what Mr. Bean is going to do. So, if we're going to use going to, we would say he is going to celebrate his birthday. Help me with this sentence here, Isa. How would you complete it?
He's going to buy products.
Very good, very good. How about this one here? Now we have she bake cake. So you have to complete the sentence and you would say, she is going to bake a cake. Now let's look at the second one. And the second one we have, they travel around the world. How would you make a sentence there using going to?
They going to travel around the world.
Yes, they are going to travel around the world. Very good. Let's go to the next one. How about he rob a house? How would you say a complete sentence there?
He is going to rob a house.
Very good. Fantastic. All right. Too easy for you, Isa. Too easy.